What all parents want for the baby, and especially if it's the first one, are products that are natural and safe, the most important criteria by far. So it was a very clear goal for us from the outset to create these products as gentle and natural as possible. Products which are in perfect harmony with baby skin from the day they are born. And all Baby O products contain at least 95% natural ingredients, are formulated with a less is more approach, which means just picking the right ingredient only, and pediatrician endorsed by Skin Health Alliance. So as a parent, you can feel really totally secure when we use this product on your baby.